Forget about all the crazy iPhone rumors for a second, because Apple is actually hiding finished products from us right now. Their upcoming June software event is so ridiculously packed with new AI features that they literally do not have the time to announce everyday gadgets on stage. So, they are sitting on a massive warehouse full of unreleased products, and they are being forced into a surprise hardware dump this May. But the best part is, we are not talking about $3,000 Pro machines today. We are talking about 3 massive upgrades to the affordable devices you actually use every single day. Let us start with the absolute sneakiest marketing trick Apple has pulled. You know how they just released that super expensive iPad Air last month? Well, it turns out they had the brand new budget iPad 12, completely finished and ready to go at the exact same time. Why did they hide it in the vault? Because they know exactly how our brains work. If they put the cheap one on the table right next to the expensive one, nobody is going to buy the expensive one. They deliberately held it back so impatient people would spend more money. It is a classic Apple trap, but their greed is absolutely our gain, because this new budget iPad is a total monster. Apple is completely skipping a processor generation here. They are ripping out the old A16 chip and jumping straight to the brand new A18. In normal human words, that means the tablet is going to be over 25% faster at basically everything you do. Opening heavy apps, playing demanding games, editing school projects. It is going to absolutely fly. But the biggest deal is the memory. Apple is finally bumping it up from 6 gigs to 8 gigabytes of RAM. Why does that matter? Because you literally need 8 gigs of memory to run all the brand new Apple Intelligence AI features. They are giving the absolute cheapest iPad on their menu the exact same AI brainpower as their $1,000 phones. Plus, it is getting the new N1 wireless chip for flawless Wi-Fi 7 connections. And the absolute best part of all of this, the leaks are stating that Apple is not touching the price tag at all. It is staying exactly the same price as the old model. Now, let us move out of your backpack and into your living room, because the Apple TV 4K is finally getting the massive upgrade it deserves. If you follow retail inventory trackers, you will see that physical Apple stores are completely running out of the current Apple TV model right now. They are letting the stock go totally empty, which is the absolute biggest red flag that a brand new model is dropping in a few weeks. So what is changing? They are throwing the A17 Pro chip inside this little black box. Yes, the exact same insanely powerful chip that powers the iPhone 15 Pro. This essentially turns your Apple TV into a legitimate, high-powered gaming console for your living room. But honestly, I do not even care about the gaming side of things. I care about the Wi-Fi stability. If you have ever tried to use 2 HomePods as your wireless TV speakers, you know they randomly disconnect or get out of sync, and it drives you completely crazy when you're trying to watch a movie. The new Apple TV is getting that super stable N1 networking chip. It is going to lock onto your home router and completely eliminate those annoying dropouts. Your movie nights are finally safe from the buffering wheel of death. And speaking of smart speakers, that brings us directly to the third massive drop. The brand new HomePod Mini 2. It makes total sense they are launching this right beside the Apple TV to complete your entire living room setup. Now, weirdly, the supply chain leaks are saying this little speaker is completely skipping the N1 networking chip and using a different third-party modem instead. We do not really know the exact reason why yet. But the real magic is happening with the main processor anyway. The current HomePod Mini that you have in your house right now is running on an S5 chip. It is literally ancient technology at this point. And that is exactly why Siri always takes 5 awkward seconds to turn off your bedroom lights or set a basic kitchen timer. It is just a slow brain. But the new version is getting a massive leap forward to the US 11 chip. It is going to be so much more efficient and incredibly fast. When the completely redesigned Siri software drops later this year, this new HomePod Mini is actually going to have the raw processing horsepower to instantly understand what you are saying. It will finally execute your smart home commands without making you stand there waiting in silence. It is finally going to feel like a smart speaker from the actual future. So we are getting an incredibly fast budget iPad that handles heavy AI tasks, an Apple TV that can run real console games, and a HomePod Mini that actually listens to you the first time you speak. Apple is basically doing a massive spring cleaning of their budget and home gadgets before the big software event kicks off in June. I am definitely grabbing that new budget iPad 12 the second it drops on the website. But what about you guys? Which of these 3 devices are you actually going to buy for your own setup? Drop all your thoughts down in the comments below. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you do not miss the physical unboxing videos when these actually hit the shelves. And I will catch you guys in the next one.